Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook business portfolio account name. This is particularly useful if you've rebranded your company or simply want to update your business identity across Meta's platforms. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This is usually listed under your shortcuts section, making it easy to access your business profile quickly. Once you click on your business page, you'll be redirected to your Facebook business management page. This is where you can oversee various aspects of your business presence on Facebook. Now look again at the left navigation menu and locate the Meta Business Suite link. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. This link serves as your gateway to more advanced business management tools that Meta provides. When you click on the Meta Business Suite link, a new browser window will open automatically. Give it a moment to load, and you'll be directed to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all your business activities across Facebook and Instagram. Now, to change your business portfolio account name, find the Business Profile dropdown on the left navigation menu and click on it. A small window will appear with several options. From here, look for the gear icon on the right side of this window. This gear icon is your access point to the business settings, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be redirected to your business portfolio settings page. This page contains all the essential information and configurations for your business portfolio. At the top part of your screen, you'll see several tabs. Click on Business Info to access the details of your business portfolio. Under the Business Portfolio Info section, you'll notice an Edit button. Click this button and a small window will pop up displaying two fields for you to modify. In this window, you'll see the business name field first. Simply click into this field and enter the new business portfolio name you wish to use. Make sure it accurately reflects your current business identity. Additionally, if you want to update your primary page URL, you can do that in the second field as well. This is optional but can be helpful for maintaining consistency across your online presence. Once you've entered your new business portfolio name and made any other desired changes, click the Save button to finalize the update. Your business portfolio name will now be changed across Meta's platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Facebook business portfolio account name to better represent your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.